Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to change your alarm sound on an iPhone. Let's make those wake-up calls a little more exciting. Open the clock app. It's that simple. Let's dive into your settings to manage alarms. Tap on Alarm at the bottom. Here, you'll see all your alarms listed. Ready to change one? Let's go! Now, touch Edit in the corner to pick the alarm you'd like to customize. Select Sound from the options. Here's where the fun begins. Explore different tones. Find your favorite sound, tap on it, and hit Save. You've just changed your alarm sound. Want more? You can also download custom ringtones from the iTunes Store for an extra personal touch. Remember to explore different genres, be it classical, pop, or nature sounds. It's all about finding what suits your style. With these steps, mornings can really feel fresh. You're all set to wake up on the right side of the bed. Feel free to adjust as needed. A good alarm sound can change your morning routine completely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Remember to set your alarms and enjoy your beautiful mornings ahead.